I'm here with the HTP Invertig 251 AC/DC, and we're going to go over the stick welding settings and features of the machine. In the previous videos in this video owner's manual series, I already went over how to set up the machine and how to use basic and advanced TIG welding features, so you can refer back to those also. Let's start off by reviewing the connections. The work clamp will connect in the same port whether you're TIG welding or stick welding, and the machine automatically adjusts polarity. So the electrode holder can connect right here in the same DINS port where your TIG torch was connected. From the home screen, press the mode button and you can select stick welding mode. Now here you can go into your process selection and choose between manual and easy set. If you go to easy set, all you need to do is select the type and size of electrode that you're using, and it will automatically set your machine for you and you're ready to weld right there. Not only does it set your amperage, but it sets a variety of other parameters. Now if you want to fine tune it, you can go into the menu and change each of these independently, even though it's on easy set mode. Now let's show the manual mode. If you go to manual right here, you can choose between standard, pulse, and AC and DC options. In the settings menu, you can adjust a hot start, which is a quick burst of a higher amperage, and you can also adjust arc force, which will increase the amperage when your arc gets short. There's a voltage reduction device you can turn on to make the output 18 volts when you're not welding for safety purposes. And you can also change your polarity right here on the menu screen. Now let's look at the pulse settings. The pulse settings are going to be similar to TIG welding. You're going to have pulses per second, a background amperage, as well as a peak time. And this can just help to control distortion and control your puddle a little bit if you need to do that. You can also change over to weld with AC or alternating current, and this can be useful if you're trying to avoid arc blow or other situations like that, but you can go in and adjust your AC waveform similar to TIG welding if you wanted to fine tune that. In addition to the stick welding mode, you can press mode and scroll down to gouging for carbon arc gouging with 5/32 inch electrodes, which are recommended for this machine, and you can fine tune your settings for that. Well, those are the stick welding settings and features that you can use on your Invertig 251. As a reminder, this is part of a video series, and so you can refer to this video owner's manual series at any time to find the settings that you need for the particular job that you're doing. Thanks a ton for watching and enjoy that Invertig 251.